All right, today we are going to try prompting to get the results we want. I'll focus on social media content calendar and demonstrate how to do basic prompt, how to enhance your prompts by using free prompt generators, and use these prompt generators to basically get results for whatever business, category, and industry you are in. We will also explore a few libraries that will definitely help you master the art and science of prompting. So let's get started. Open up your browser and type google.com. Now type in prompt generator in the search field and hit enter. You will get literally thousands of results for the prompt generators. These will range from Chat GPT to Midjourney to various other generative AI image generators and so on. Look for a free prompt generator. I'll use the one that is not only free, but provides unlimited prompts without having to log in. All right, this looks like super easy. AI prompt generator, and you can see it offers prompt generation for various AI platforms. Okay, now type in your basic prompt. I'll copy paste the one I prepared for this video and have shared it below for you to try it out. Now this is interesting. This section provides you with few options for structuring your prompt. I'll use the CARE framework, but you can try out different to see which one best works for you. Hit generate, and it will take few seconds before it generates a detailed prompt that will help get the results you want. And there you go. It has generated a detailed prompt that you can copy and simply paste it in ChatGPT. Now open up your ChatGPT and paste the prompt you copied. The prompt example here is for a fictional fashion clothing brand called Threads that specializes in trendy women wear and wedding exclusive. I will suggest that you review your prompt to see if there's anything you like to adjust, add, or elaborate. Here I've just added that I'd like the calendar to be in a table format, which you will see how this will benefit you in the end. Hit enter and let the Chat GPT do its magic and start producing the content calendar as per your prompt. You will notice that it has started with the date, theme, post idea, post type, caption and engagement strategy, and suggested hashtags, and now it is splitting them up by individual day starting with October 1st to October 31st. It has also suggested the posting time for the target audience, aged between 21 and 35 years, as per the prompt. Also note that it is also suggesting to test and adjust, which is highly recommended for any generative AI work. See how the social media calendar opens with "something new is coming" to generate interest and excitement, and then it progresses day by day to build the expectation, showcasing the products while keeping in mind the materials suitable for the winter collection. There's also a recommendation for Q&A as a live session, behind the scenes suggesting transparency and hard work. That will help better engagement, and there's a real suggestion with the wedding exclusive focus before it wraps up for the month of October. Now remember that I added the table format text in the prompt above, and the result shows a monthly calendar in a table format. Here's where it will benefit you even further. If ChatGPT offers to convert your calendar into PDF or a visual grid, just say yes. Or best is to do what I do. Copy-paste the ChatGPT text as a prompt to get a best structured result. Hit enter and you will see ChatGPT writing the code to generate the PDF as per your prompt. Don't worry, you don't have to learn to code. This is for reference at this point. Once it finishes, it will simply provide a link to download the PDF document. I recommend that you save the whole text which appears after the link, as this will help you write a much better prompt next time. You can tweak it as per your requirement for print, or create a slide deck or a template for Canva when you are creating more content using ChatGPT in the future. Now click on the link that ChatGPT provided and you should be able to download the PDF. Let's open the one it has generated and see how it looks. Wow, this is wonderful. A simple, clean, and clear, well-structured weekly content calendar for you and your team to use. I hope so far this video has provided you with a good understanding on how to do a basic prompt, search and use a free prompt generator, which after using few times, you should be able to write prompts by yourself. Try what you have learned in this video and comment how did it go for you. All right, here's a bonus video that will help you get better with prompting for generating content and using AI for your business. Go to google.com and write AI prompt library generator in the search field. Again, you will see thousands of results for the prompt libraries for various platforms and AI tools. You will also see some popular search terms, some very specific terms for specific tools, suggesting what people are usually searching for, and you can also click and try if these are what you want to search as well. For this video, I have selected few as an example to showcase how good these libraries are as knowledge hubs that you can use for free. Usually good libraries categorize prompts for the users to find them easily and use them. The first example here shows the same with multiple categories like sales, education, SEO, writing, business, marketing, etc. Let's click on the marketing and select the free option, and you will see it has further subcategories relevant to marketing, from content creation to product reviews, infographics, and so on. Click on any subcategory, and you will see the free prompt that you can copy for your own project and get the results you are after. Remember to tweak the prompt as needed for your own brand and products. Here's another one which is more focused towards educators and students. Remember, the best place to search is still Google, and you can explore a lot more professional and complex level libraries by simply searching through Google and checking the libraries. The categories in this library are all related to education. These range from coaching, conflict resolution, various checklists, assessment, accessibility, communication, planning, professional development, team building, social learning, special education, and more. Here's one of my favorite called prompts.chat. This massive library offers specialized prompts for various chatbots and AI tools, including ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and Meta. And under each platform, it has literally hundreds of prompts that you can use. You can see the extensive list of roles and professions, and for each, its prompting structure is to ask ChatGPT to act as, which instructs the ChatGPT to assume the role of that professional with a full understanding of the role, the business, and the category, producing a very high-quality results. Try and comment, how did it go for you? And this brings us to the last example for a prompt library called AIPRM, which I assume stands for AI prompt. You will immediately notice that it has some unique prompt generating style, which is different from the rest. Libraries like these also go up in complexity as you progress through your generative AI journey, learning more sophisticated ways to create your content and do the work you need to do. Best things is that AIPRM is also available as a Google Chrome extension, and you can download and install it on your Microsoft Edge browser. And once you do, it appears in your ChatGPT main page to help you write and manage better prompts. I hope so far this video has provided you with a good understanding on how to do a basic prompt, search and use a free prompt generator, which after using few times, you should be able to write prompts by yourself. Try what you have learned in this video and comment, how did it go for you?